If you want to add a photo to a specific contact on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the phone app. On the home page, you should be able to tap on View Contacts in here in order to open the list of all contacts, or you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, and then we can go to Contacts in here. Now choose the contact for which you want to add a photo, and then you can use this pen here at the top. Once you open the list, once you edit the contact, you should be able to tap on the avatar in here, and now we have a couple of different options such as the camera, so you can capture a photo right now, you can take a photo right now and save it. And you can also use your gallery. You can switch to Google Photos, Monogram, and Illustrations. In my case, I'm gonna pick a photo from the gallery, so let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We can zoom in and adjust our picture if you want to, of course, if needed. You can also rotate the picture in case it's necessary, and we can tap on Choose at the bottom of the screen and then Save in the upper right corner in order to save our changes and set the picture as a photo for the contact. Leave a like and subscribe.